Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Beyond the Batch, the podcast brought to you by the Alumni Relations Committee of IMI Bhubaneswar. This is where we take you on a journey beyond classrooms, straight into the inspiring stories of our alumni who are making waves in real world, breaking barriers, and redefining what success looks like. Today, we are joined by someone whose journey reflects curiosity, consistency, and impressive ability to evolve across fields. She is an IMI Bhubaneswar alumna from the PGDM batch of 2025, currently working at Cognizant in artificial intelligence and analytics strategy, where she contributes to data-driven decision-making and business insight creation. Her prior experience spans across Dabur India, Glover's Labs, and Deloitte, reflecting her versatility from business development to community building to analytics. But beyond the titles and milestones, her journey is about discovering who she is outside the classroom and shaping the identity that goes far beyond her batch. Please join me in welcoming Ms. Shruti Tiwari. Thank you for joining us today, ma'am. It's been some time since you graduated, but IMI still remembers you very fondly. How would you describe your IMI journey today as the person who has entered IMI and who left us?
Thanks a lot for those words, Shreya. So IMI holds a very special place in my heart. It has been very, very close to me, from all the campus explorations, from attending, the boring and long lectures, meeting new friends, interacting with them. It has been, whirlwind and, a whole lot of experience for me. And of course, this journey has been nothing short of a roller coaster ride for me. It has been great and wonderful. I'm really cherishing it for the rest of my life.
That's very well said, ma'am. Moving on, you're now working in artificial intelligence and analytics strategy at Cognizant. So how would you describe your role on a day-to-day basis? And what part of it excites and challenges you the most?
That's a pretty touching question, Shreya. So yeah, my job at Cognizant and my role at Cognizant comes with multiple set of responsibilities. Talking about something that challenges and excites me, what is the most exciting part about my job is stakeholder management. That's a key and crucial factor that comes along with this responsibility. So I get a chance and I get to meet different stakeholders from across the country, be it US, be it Canada, be it Middle East. So that is something that gives me a lot of exposure. And like I mentioned, I love interacting with different set of people. But then what's challenging is, aligning with their time zones. That is the, toughest part that I need to deal with during a day in my life. So I cannot just come and shut my laptop at 6 p.m. and just be free for all that stuff. And then I need to be there for them, be available for them based on their time zones and their schedules. So that is challenging. But then again, I'm just learning and I'm just gliding through this process like anything. So that's good.
Yeah, that is very insightful, ma'am. Moving on, you were a part of the Alumni Relations Committee and also from ASIS, both of which are student-driven bodies with their own cultures. So how did these roles actually shape your perspective and personality, both professionally and personally?
Very well. So see, Shreya, networking is something that I enjoy the most. And then meeting and greeting new faces, new people is something that I really am fascinated by. So both Alumni Relations Committee and Phronesis have given me the opportunity to interact with different set of people, to learn from them, to learn from different set mindsets that we usually come across when we are in a committee working together. And I've lived the best moments of my time and life here in the committee. So I remember those times, and like I was also sharing with some of you that we would wrap up our classes by 7:30 or 8 p.m. like that, and then we would straight come to the office, and then we would sit here for around 2.5 hours. We would go straight to the mess, we would have our dinner, and then we would rush back to closing all the assignments. So that exposure was something that gave us the taste of corporate life even before entering it. So that is something that really shaped me and carved me well even before joining my company. So that's how it transformed me both personally and professionally.
That is very well put, ma'am. I wanted to ask you that if you get a chance to come back to IMI just for one day, the same batch, same classroom, same chaos, what would be the first thing that you'd do?
Okay. So I think I would try to chime in all those places and conversations where I wasn't a part of. So that is how I could get to meet with different set of those people as well who I did not get a chance to interact with. So yeah, And of course, I would love to relive each of the memories here all over again, and it'll be a wonderful experience for me, I'm sure.
That is very beautiful. That is it for the podcast. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope to meet you in the future.
Thank you so much, Shreya. It was great interacting too.
Thank you. To everyone listening, I hope today's conversation inspires you to believe in your own story, stay committed to your goals, and embrace the journey that lies beyond the badge. See you soon with another inspiring story. Thank you.